the most notorious race of hell across the world. The world's best car that breaks all the limits. Therein lies our technology that does not allow for any compromises. 0.1 micrometer. With ultimate precision and pinpoint accuracy. We have developed machine tools that represent South Korea. But we did not stop there. Our goal was set towards the ultimate level of productivity that goes beyond the precise completion of each and every product. To achieve this, we put together all the know-how we obtained so far and completed the organic flow of production that encompasses the entire process. From the elaborate design without even a single mishap, and hundreds of verifications carried out towards perfection, to the touch of a master craftsman with over thousands of hours of experience. Products created through our greatest efforts. We perfectly underpin the success of our customers all around the world. Our commitment towards product perfection. Our commitment will remain strong with our customers at each and every moment. To immediately respond to any issues without delay, with a higher speed and precision. Even at this very moment, we continue to move forward to achieve highest level of customer satisfaction. Rapid diagnosis to identify any issues, accurate resolution with unfailing precision. To bring success to our customers, we continue to do our best to make every second count. We are developing new solutions of future productivity that will transform our lives beyond the manufacturing industry. Analyzing a vast amount of data beyond human capability within just a few seconds, and removing the fundamental cause of problems that customers fail to identify. Through analysis and forecast, Hyundai WIA will provide the optimal solution to customers with varying needs. The challenges we make today will lead us to the solutions of tomorrow. WIA, the next solution. Hyundai WIA.